This one's good. Solid frame despite the rust.
All right, I'll mark it for the crusher. Keep coming straight back. Easy now, hold it there. All right, dropping the cable.
Securing steel vehicles correctly prevents material loss during transport.
Slow and steady on the descent.
Clear on the right. Right there, hold it. Is it aligned with the mark?
Yes, confirmed. It's perfectly centered.
Check the lines on the fuel tank, look corroded.
Yeah, and we've got an oil leak here by the filter housing. Needs immediate draining.
Only steel structures remain before shredding.
Steel recycling enters its most powerful transformation stage.
Magnetic separation isolates recyclable steel.
Only certified steel scrap proceeds to melting. Recycled car steel begins its journey to the steel factory.
Is this the ELV scrap delivery for the EAF?
Yes, all documented here.
All right, proceed to the melting yard.
Recycled car steel is prepared for transformation into new structural steel.
Electric arcs melt recycled car steel at temperatures above 1,600 degrees Celsius.
Bath temperature is holding steady. We are within range.
Noted. Proceeding as planned.
Fluxes purify molten steel by capturing impurities. Purified molten steel is now ready for casting. Molten steel is tapped from the furnace for shaping.
Continuous casting shapes molten steel into solid forms.
Cast steel is cut to size for further shaping.
Molten steel moves to the casting stage.
Molten recycled steel enters the tundish, preparing for continuous casting.
Continuous casting molds shape molten steel into billets and slabs. Watch the temperature on the rollers.
It's holding steady. The cooling sprays are working well.
Steel is reheated for precise rolling into structural shapes.
Hot rolling gradually shapes the recycled steel to required dimensions.
Final hot rolling produces billets, slabs, rebar, and coils ready for finishing. Cooling and straightening prepares steel for cutting and packaging. Visual inspection ensures only defect-free steel enters the supply chain.
Mechanical testing confirms steel meets structural standards.
Each steel unit is labeled for traceability.
Steel sections are prepared for secure packaging and transport. Finished recycled steel is stored awaiting shipment. Recycled steel is loaded for delivery to construction sites and manufacturing facilities. Legal and regulatory checks ensure secure transport of recycled steel. Steel is safely unloaded for temporary storage before further distribution. Steel is sorted efficiently to meet customer order specifications.
Recycled steel is prepared for delivery to construction sites or manufacturers.
Recycled steel reaches its final industrial destination.
Steel bundles are carefully offloaded for immediate use.
Steel is organized on-site for seamless integration into building or manufacturing processes.
Recycled steel begins its second life in construction and industrial applications. From old cars to high-quality recycled structural steel, the full industrial recycling journey is complete.